our channel. We are from 15 group. In this video, we want to share about how to make a trending food in this year, that is fruit salad. Fruit salad is easy to get and easy to make, so then we buy, better we make it yourself. Before we make it, I will introduce myself. My name is Shofi Khoirunnisa, and this is my partner.
My name is Vialita Difka, you can call me Difka.
My name is Rieska Cyntia, you can call me Rieska.
My name is Nia Nur Khasanah and you can call me Nia. The main ingredient to make fruit salad are fruits. These fruits are optional, so they can be replaced as you wish. Our groups choose watermelon, melon, papaya, dragon fruit, avocado, and pear. Well, the ingredients for making sauce are mayonnaise, cheddar cheese, and sweetened condensed milk.
Peel all ingredients then cut into dice.
All the fruit in the bowl. Let's make the sauce. Mix the mayonnaise and sweet condensed milk. Pour the sauce into the fruit. Spread the cheddar cheese on the fruit salad.
This is delicious and healthy.
Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.